Hey, it's Vance here from Green Galaxy. You're going to be saying Holy Green Galaxy every time you put this ink in your screen.
If you're tired of getting ink on your walls, clothes, and hands, stop.
Hey, Willie Hayes here. Are your shirts turning out like this? Then effing ink is for you.
Introducing the Easy Grip. The ergonomic two-handle design provides a
It's so great, it's a trusted classic because it's water-based. It's been around since the age of water. It feels soft, smooth, prints on these polo shirts, also goes on tri-blends, cottons, and polyester.
And if you call now, you get not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 12, not 43, not 72, but 100 sheets of film. That's so good you can reuse the positive time and time again. Call now.
So smooth like butter, but it's water.
Holy
Green Galaxy.
holy
Green Galaxy. Green Galaxy.
Call now.
Effing ink is so easy to use, even your kids can use it.
Speaking of kids here, remember, this is made by water. Water is CPSA compliant. No plastisols, no PVCs. So what do you got to say about that, Willie?
Well, effing ink's so opaque, it'll blind your competition.
Hey, speaking of blinding, what does you just have to cue out again?
260
God,
degrees.
well, mine washes up with water.
Oh, why'd you spray me with water?
Because your face is ugly and need a little washing up.
Call 1-800-314-6390 or visit us at www.screenprinting.com.
And here's how you order.
Yeah, it does taste pretty good.